Hello everyone, in this video we are going to do a series of 9 stretches to improve your performance and recovery, keep your muscles limber, improve your agility and reduce the risk of knee, lower back and hip pain that can arise from repetitive activities. In our bottom to top approach, let's start stretching our calf muscle as shown in the video by pressing our heels against the floor, keeping our knees straight for 15 seconds. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and change. 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now we'll stretch our hamstring muscle by displacing our hip as shown in the video and keeping our knees straight. The flexibility of your hamstring is very important for keeping a perfect posture while walking and standing. While stretching, always go to the point of tension that you feel in your muscle. Stop if you feel any discomfort or pain. Let's move on to the largest muscle group of the body and unfortunately the tightest muscle, Gluteus maximus. If you are unable to stretch in the way it is shown in the video, you have two more options available. 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and change. 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Our next stretch will be for the group of 4 muscles called quadriceps, which are responsible for walking, running, jumping and kicking. 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and change. 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now we'll stretch the muscle called Iliopsoas, which is the front of the hip, the tightness of which is one of the cause for lower back pain. If you want to improve the speed of your walking and running, you must stretch this muscle every single day. 3, 2, 1 and change. If you don't find an elevated object as shown in the video, you may stretch it on the floor in this way. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Moving on to our next stretch, as shown in the video, cross your legs, displacing your hip. Try to reach as high as possible, focusing on the abductor or the outer thigh muscle and the intercostal muscles of your torso. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and change. If you learn to stretch to a tension point before getting into the pain state regularly, you secrete happy hormones even while you are stretching. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Our next stretch is considered very crucial as we do not use our adductor muscles in our day-to-day lives. So let's warm them up by doing butterfly splutters as shown in the video for 15 counts. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. From here, bend forward to stretch your groin area and hold it for 15 seconds. 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. From here, use your elbows and push your thighs downwards to stretch your adductor muscles for 15 seconds. 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. To perform our next stretch, place your palms shoulder width apart against the wall, lean your upper body forward and push your lower back outward as shown in the video. 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10. This stretch can stabilize and protect your spine. Remember to focus on your upper back muscle while stretching. 2, 1. Let's conclude our session with the most relaxing stretch, which is popular for its numerous benefits, rabbit pose. This stretching routine is perfect for all fitness levels, whether you are a beginner looking to increase your flexibility or a seasoned pro aiming to reduce muscle tension. This routine is designed to help you feel more limber and relaxed. Don't forget to share it with others, as you might help someone out of pain. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button if you enjoyed this routine.